All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Today we're going to show you how to make this artisan bread.
Looks so good.
Only 4 ingredients and so easy to prepare. You're absolutely going to love it. You can have it with soup, make a sandwich, just about anything. It's a great bread. All right, let's get cooking.
Okay.
All right, let's get this dough started. It's real simple ingredients. We just have flour, water, yeast, and some salt. First thing we're going to do is add 3 3/4 cups of flour. And then we have 2 teaspoons of yeast here.
Yeast. Hello, everybody. What's happening? Hope everybody had a good holiday.
Now we're going to put some salt. This is coarse salt. It's 2 teaspoons. Then we're just going to go ahead and mix this all together evenly. And this is actually a no-knead dough with your hands. Just use this wooden spoon. I like to use a heavy wooden spoon. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the water. This is 1½ cups of water. Room temperature is fine. I'm just going to mix that all together until it forms into a ball, basically. And you want to keep mixing it until you see all the edges here that have flour. You want to keep mixing it until it kind of eliminates all of that. As you can see, the stainless steel.
That's easy enough, man.
All right.
Very simple.
About 2 or 3 minutes. You want this to
About 2 or 3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes. 2 or 3
Sounded like
minutes.
Dad, man. He was in this country for 60 years. It's like people still couldn't understand his English.
I know. All right. Now that's all ready. Now I want to put this in a bowl here. Just set aside. It's going to be real sticky, so roll it into a little ball if you can. You know, sometimes you just dip some flour in your hands. Makes it easier to handle. Wow, and that's it. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it up. I like to use plastic wrap. I know it's not eco-friendly, but it works well.
Man.
You can use aluminum foil or this plastic wrap.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go ahead and let this rest for about 3 hours. And they're going to place it in the fridge for about anywhere from 18 hours to 3 days. It'll have more of a sourdough flavor to it. All right, it's been 3 hours. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it back up and put it in the fridge for at least 18 hours. All right. Just so happens we started a batch yesterday. So in order to save time, so you didn't have to wait 2-3 days, we went ahead and made the dough.
Well, we can make a 72-hour video.
There we go. See how nice? This is the consistency you want. You want the bubbles in there. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove the dough. I like to use a rubber spatula. So this way it makes it real easy. See how I just swipe the sides? You don't want to flatten this dough because you'll ruin that texture, that bubbly texture. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and lightly dust my surface here. All right, and then we're going to also dust this parchment paper here with a little bit of flour. You can use semolina if you have it. All right, be real gentle with it. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and just dust my hands with some flour.
Dust it off.
I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. And now we're going to go ahead and just put it on the parchment paper. Don't have to be perfect. This is an artisan bread. They come in all different shapes and sizes.
That one's going to be bigger.
Yeah. And it's going to be a little bit bigger. Now we're going to sprinkle the top with more flour. And cover this up again with some plastic wrap. And we're going to go ahead and let this rise for about 45 minutes. Then we'll bake it. All right, now our bread is ready. We're going to go ahead and remove the plastic. And now I want to go ahead and just dust my hands with some flour and just shape it because it kind of flattens out a little bit as it's rising. I'm just going to go ahead and reshape it. Like I said earlier, you don't need to make it perfect. This is an artisan bread. All right, now we're going to go ahead and score it. You can either use a lame or a very sharp knife. Now, I know this knife is sharp because I just bought it. And while I was taking it out of the package,
you cut yourself?
I cut my finger. All right, so anyway, we're going to score this. A half-inch cut. All right.
What do you mean?
This is ready for the oven.
Let's go.
All right, we're going to bake this in the oven on 475 degrees for about 20 or 25 minutes. All right, take a look at this, folks. We have a video out that we put out last week, which has our Italian-inspired chicken noodle soup. You're going to love it. All right, the bread is ready. I didn't have for 25 minutes. Look at that beautiful bread.
Oh, my God.
Keep it on there.
That
all right,
is beautiful.
You know when it's ready, when you knock on it and it's hollow. Or you can take a knife. Feel that crunch. All right, let's eat. All right, let's cut into this bread and give it a taste.
Look at this bread, man. It's beautiful.
Listen to that. Listen to that crust. Oh. Still steaming.
Does look good.
Look at that bread. Isn't that beautiful? See the pockets in there?
Oh, man, what a smell. Let's eat it.
We have some extra virgin olive oil dip here with some spices and herbs. How it comes out here.
Very good.
Mmm. Really good, huh?
I'm not buying bread anymore. You're going to make me bread all the time.
So,
very good.
Really good.
Mm. What do you think, guys? A meatball parmesan sandwich out of that?
Definitely. Hey, we want to thank all our subscribers. By the time you see this video, we're going to be at 100,000 subscribers, or pretty close to it. And we want to thank all of the folks who purchased our cookbook. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see our see us make another cookbook. I was thinking about doing a holiday cookbook, which would have all of the favorites that we used to cook during every holiday. Anyway,
A lot of fish.
thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.
All right. Let us know in the comments if you
Sorry,
like.
I'm still eating.